This is actually one of the first questions the College Board ever released for the digital SAT. So I've made videos about this one before, but I think it really captures a lot of what these support weekend questions are like. It's not too hard, and we can focus on the right strong words and get it pretty easily. So what are we trying to support? We're going to go with their hypothesis. So let's see what it says. These people have hypothesized, nice, that the sail-like structure running down the back of the dinosaur Spinosaurus aegypticus improved the animal's success in underwater pursuits of prey species capable of making quick, evasive movements. Right there, strong words. To evaluate their hypothesis, a second team of researchers constructed two battery-powered mechanical models of this thing, one with a sail and one without, and subjected the models to a series of identical tests in a water-filled tank. Right, so remember, we're trying to prove the original hypothesis, but now we have like an experiment that is supposed to do that. What would the finding of the experiment be that would talk about quick, evasive movements? Let's look at the choices. A, the model with a sail took significantly less time to complete a sharp turn while submerged than the model without a sail did. So it has the right idea. Let's just make sure that we have the right order. The sail is making the sharp turn than without the sail. And what did they say originally? That the sail was going to improve their quick, evasive movement. So seems like the sail is doing the right thing. Seems good, but obviously we have to read everything and make sure. B, the model with a sail displaced significantly more water while submerged than the model without a sail did. Did they talk about displacing water? No. Don't try to interpret that. They don't mention that. We're talking about sharp turns, quick movements. That's definitely better suited to A. Don't try to force B in just because you kind of want to invent some sort of science here. C, the model with a sail had significantly less battery power remaining after completing the tests than the model without a sail did. So you could maybe come up with some weird story and reasoning here and be like, okay, if it's making quick, sharp turns, then it's going to require more power to do that. So it's going to burn through the battery faster. But like, notice how many steps that is. That's way more steps than just choice A, which is like, it just did sharper turns. Like that's easier to do. It is one step, whereas choice C kind of has three. So no. D, the model with the sail took significantly longer to travel a specified distance while submerged than the model without a sail. Well, that seems bad, right? We want the sail to be good. So if it's taking longer, that's not good. Plus, it's not about the turns. So yeah, let's get rid of that. So that's it. A is the answer. But notice, like, there's some science here in this passage, and maybe there's some interpreting we can do, but the strong words that describe the sail have nothing to do with dinosaurs. Quick, evasive, those are words that we should know what they mean in any context, and that's why they are strong words. They are the things that we should be pulling out of this passage, noticing as very important, and then looking for in the answer choices. So like I said, this is one of the original questions that they released, and to me, it is like a textbook kind of passage question that we would see on the SAT. Notice the strong words, match them in the choices.